Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here we go with the unboxing video of OnePlus 5. Yeah, this is the box and this is the outer look like. Price of this mobile is 32,999 rupees. We'll open the box and see what and all stuff we'll get inside the box. Here, handset. Here some user guide and paperwork. This is the power adapter. Yeah. This output is 5 volts 4 amp. That means it's a quick charger. It supports quick charging, I think. And this is the data transfer cable. Along with this handset, we won't get any earphones. We have to buy separately. We'll do first boot of mobile. Yeah, here we can see first booting of the mobile. Meanwhile, it boots up, we'll see the specs of this phone. Yeah, this OnePlus 5 comes with a 16 MP front camera, rear dual camera, that is 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel. Resolution is 1920 into 1080. Display 5.5 Gorilla Glass and Android Nougat version. And it's a 835 Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. Yeah, this is first screen of OnePlus 5. We can see here right side power button. This edge is curved, and left side volume rockers, and sorry, this is the hard button for making phone silent mode and normal mode. And top of that we don't have anything, and down we have port for charger and speaker outlet and 3.5 audio jack. We'll set up the backside. We have dual camera and flash, OnePlus logo branding. Here we'll see how fingerprint works. Is it really faster or not? Yeah, fingerprint works fine without any issues. It looks like just stock Android version. We don't have any extra apps. Whatever comes with the Android OS, we have only that apps. There is no other apps. This display quality and brightness levels are pretty good, and look and feel of the mobile is very good. I will try some sample shots with camera. Yeah, focusing on all looks good. It's looks like a crispy clear that camera view is. We'll try to take a shot and see. Yeah, This is how camera quality is. We are able to capture some nice shots. This pixel density is good, even though we are zooming much more detail. The pixel quality is very nice. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel.